Tired of watching your Wix mobile site take forever to load, potentially losing valuable customers? Let's fix that. First, let's tackle image optimization, a major culprit for slow loading times in your Wix editor. Click on any image. Now, check the image settings. Ensure your images are properly sized for mobile viewing. Avoid using unnecessarily large images that are meant for desktop. Only resize them to fit the mobile screen appropriately. Next, utilize Wix's built-in optimization tools. Select the Optimize Image option to compress your images without significantly compromising quality. This can dramatically reduce file size. Thirdly, review your installed apps. Some apps can add significant weight to your mobile site. Disable or remove any apps you're not actively using. Now, switch to the mobile editor. Identify any elements that are non-essential for mobile users. You can hide these elements specifically from the mobile view without affecting your desktop site. Finally, adjust font sizes and spacing for optimal mobile viewing. Smaller font sizes and tighter spacing can reduce the amount of content that needs to be loaded. Speeding up the process by implementing these simple steps, you'll minimize your Wix page size for mobile, creating a faster, more engaging experience for your users.